With that, we're shifting our attention now to Karnataka, where the Karnataka unit of the Congress party got a new president yesterday, as B.K. Hariprasad took over as the new state party chief. But while one would expect the attention to be on B.K. Hariprasad, it was the Congress national president, Mallikarjun Kharge, who made the headlines. The Congress president was seen losing his cool during the party meeting as supporters of the Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar repeatedly raised slogans praising him. And Mallikarjun Kharge was seen rebuking them and asking them to sit down, at one point even calling them useless fellows.
ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಗ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಯೂಸ್ಲೆಸ್ ಫೆಲೋಸ್. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಇದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದುಗೂಡಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ಯಾರೇ ಒಬ್ರು ಒಂದು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕೂಗೋದು, ಬಾಕಿ ಅವ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾರ, ಕಸ ಗೂಡ್ಸಕ್ ಬಂದಾರ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ.
Interesting statement by Mallikarjun Kharge, who said this is not a person-centric event, this is a party event. You can't be chanting names of the newly appointed Chief Minister. Akshara joins us on the broadcast. And Akshara, not the first time we've seen multiple occasions where there have been chants of D.K. Shivakumar. What seemed to have irked Mallikarjun Kharge?
Well, that's absolutely, what Mallikarjun Kharge is pointing out is that the factionalism within the Congress, now factionalism and infighting within the Congress has always hit the headlines. You had supporters of D.K. Shivakumar, Siddaramaiah, and also supporters of Zamir Ahmed. And so there are various factions, which hit the headlines here in Karnataka. So in this particular event taking place in Bengaluru, Mallikarjun Kharge visibly seen frustrated with the fact that there were chants of D.K. Shivakumar. That is when he lashes out, stating that we should be done away with this particular factionalism. If you are supporting D.K. Shivakumar, if you are supporting Siddaramaiah, what are the other leaders for? Are they for sweeping? That's what the statement that has come in from the AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge. And also the opposition has also responded to this, stating that this clearly shows the factionalism within the Congress party of various leaders supporting with various factions. Okay. So that's what Mallikarjun Kharge is visibly seen frustrated and stating the fact as well.
Absolutely, but he's also seen calling the party workers useless fellows. Not sure how that's going to go down. Thank you for joining us with those details. With that, viewers, it's time for a very quick break. We'll be right back with lots more. Stay with us.